G'day, Gary again from Travel Outback Australia. Today I've got another unboxing, and this is something that I've been wanting to get for a little while. I've had a couple of smaller units in the past, but I've decided to upgrade and get this bigger, more powerful unit. What is it? Well, it is the GME 5-watt handheld UHF radio. I love these little gizmos. They're so handy for when you're out traveling around the place and you need to get out the car but still talk to someone in the car. Maybe you're giving some assistance in trying to get out of a bit of a pickle, but it really makes that easy in that kind of situation. But also if you just want to take it away and go for a walk from base and leave someone back at base as a bit of a safety mechanism. Anyway, look, let's have a look at this. We'll get outside the box. Not sure what's in here, but let's have a look anyway. Okay, again, it's a congratulations on your new GME product. Welcome to the GME family. Whoops, I've dropped it. Okay, that particular unit comes with a belt clip, so you can just clip it onto clothing, backpack, belt, whatever. Okay, the rest of the box comes in this little packaging container with the radio inside of it. I decided to get a bright orange unit just so that it's easy to find. Kind of like the colour as well. But one of the reasons I have got this is because here at Kings Canyon we actually do a lot of work with stakeholders, and they use UHF radios. Our work units can be switchable to UHF, but often we've got to be on our frequency as well as being able to hear the simplex transmissions, I guess, that come from our stakeholders at the same time. So just having this little unit that I can throw in my pocket, I'm hoping will be a big benefit in that area. What else have we got in this box? Okay, so I'm assuming this is going to be the charger and whatnot. So, okay, in here we have the 240 volt charging unit, small plug that fits into the radio, and then the rest of it is the charging base itself. Typical. No, that connection doesn't go into the radio, it goes into the back of the charging cradle. So that takes care of what's in there. So again, I'll be doing a review on the GME TX6160 at some stage. I'll try and get that out pretty soon. And in this case, I've actually gone and bought this unit myself, so it's a no-holds-barred review that'll come your way. But I think I've said it before, I've had to rely on GME radios for a long time, and personally, they suit the sort of stuff that we do at Travel Outback Australia, and they've also suited me at work over a number of years. And they're reliable, rugged, and they'll either serve as just a general communicator with either yourself, other people in your party, or even other people outside your party that you may encounter along the way. So, great means of communication, a review coming your way. Thanks a lot for watching.